Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and open the console incognito window. Now the console is opened. Come to task number 1. From here, right click over here and open incognito window. Click on Create Chat App. Come to the lab instruction. Copy the name from here and simply just update the name and rename. Now come over here. I agree and continue. Now from here, you can see API and services. Just click on this. Now click on Get Started. Now come to the lab instruction and come to task number 2. From here, just copy the app name, user support email, next, it will be internal, next, and email address you have to enter as per the lab instruction and simply click on I agree, continue and create. Now try to check the score for both the tasks you'll surely get without any issue. Lab takes time to update the score, so keep hitting check my progress and just like the video and subscribe the channel.